to all my sweet little children. Thank you for joining with us for another DP Kids YouTube channel video where we make lots and lots of origami and origami creations. So today what we are going to make is a bird that you like. It's something like a different sort of a sound that this bird makes. It's an owl that we are making today. So we need a little piece of paper like this, maybe black and white, or if you want any other color, you can use any other color too, but you can take a newspaper too. But if you want to make it look real, you can use real colors of an owl. So now this square paper, we are going to fold it in half like this to make a triangle. Then open it up, but we need to make the owl's head and the body separately. So we are going to cut it like this. See, across the middle. Now we'll keep one part away for his body and we are going to make his face first. Now this paper, see, this corner comes to our side and that side, the edge comes to the opposite side. Now we need to find the middle point. So we are going to slowly fold this and just slightly mark the middle. We are not going to press on it, just mark the middle. Then keep your fingers like this and bring this corner to the bottom. Remember the puppy we made? Just like that. So bring that middle part, middle flap to the bottom like this. Not too much, just a little bit. Then we are going to do the same thing on the other side, making sure that both sides are the same size. Okay, now this little part, we need to, can you see this little part where you have a triangle? We need to fold it backwards. So just fold it like this so we know the amount to fold, and then now that we have the folding line, we are going to fold it backwards like I told you earlier. Okay, now we are halfway making the owl's head. Now we turn it around. If you keep it like this, this is the mouth. So shall we bring this little part downwards to meet this? Not meet it exactly, but to overlap it like this. Then we'll turn it around and our head is over. Our owl's head is over. Now let's take that other piece of paper we kept aside to make the body. Now we are folding it in half like this, just to see the middle, not anywhere else. And then we are going to do the same thing. We'll have to bring down that corner flap to the bottom, using the middle as a guide, the place we marked as a guide. Then we have to fold it backwards like what we did earlier, and then again fold it back. Now turn it around and see, it's our owl's body. See how it looks. Now we are going to paste it in. Now let's paste some eyes onto our owl. Now I have some stickers, so I'm going to paste those. You can draw with a pen. Now look at our creation. So this might remind you of a song that you might have learned when you were small. Just see if you can remember it. Flap your wings and fly around, fly around. Flap your wings and fly around, just like an owl. There are lots and lots of nursery rhymes like this. Now about the owl, then make a little branch also for the owls to sit on, to perch on. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on our video. Tell us what you want us to make in the future. So tell us all about it. See you soon.